What can people expect from the talk? Is it going to be a talk or a lecture? No, it will be a conversation. I'm going to ask as many questions as I'm asked. Where we're at is, it's about sharing this, and it is about talking about it more. If enough of us are taking those small steps, it will combine. And if enough of those people taking small steps can take bigger steps, maybe that collective thought and that collective hope and desire to make change, maybe nudging us towards a slightly better future for what we're doing to this planet.
My name is Shackleton. I am a medical herbalist and I am a naturopath. At the Isbourne I run different sessions on how you can manage and sustain your health naturally. And that means how do you avoid the flu bugs and the colds, but also if you get one, how do you manage that so that it passes through your system as quickly as possible. If you can help yourself, why wouldn't you do that?
Am I allowed to ask people to buy tickets at this stage?
Sure.
Please buy tickets. I'll shave again, it'll be good.